Hey guys, Jean Marlo Davis, your wealth creator. Turn the speakers up because you're going to want to hear this. Listen, I made six figures in 12 months being totally ignorant. This not being my field, this not being my area expertise. For those who know me, I'm an ex-IRS auditor, tax and financial strategist, as well as an author and a coach. So the industry that I'm telling you about is not my background. I made six figures in 12 months. Partner up with some other people. We're on target to make multiple six figures to seven figures, I would say, within 12 to around about 24 months, guys. With what you say, with Airbnb, here's the hack, without owning one property. Okay, yes, you can do it. I know if I can do it, and my expertise is taxes and finance and speaking on stages, training people, working with Danny Glover, Fran Tar, those people, teaching something totally different, was told about this industry and say, you know what, let me see what I can do. Made all the mistakes I could make, okay? Getting in trouble, getting alerts in my email, learning what I needed to do, failing my way forward, made six figures in 12 months, and now on target to make multiple 6 to 7 figures in the next 12 to 24 months. What does that have to do with you? Well, hey, hey, listen, if you want to be taught by the best, if you want to learn some hacks that will put money in your pocket, not now, but right now, I'm going to tell you to click on the link below. While I'm talking, you can go ahead and click and go off the page and go ahead and say, look, let me get this thing started. But let me just tell you this before I leave you. People are sick and tired of being stuck in the house. Social distancing. I saw on the news, I saw on different social media platforms that people are crowding the beaches, people are crowding the parks, people are putting on polls saying, hey, look, when the pandemic is over, I want to go and celebrate my honeymoon. I want to go celebrate my birthday. I want to go on my favorite trip. I want to get back to normal, whatever that is. People are saying it. What does that mean? That means that people are going to need somewhere to stay. The next question is, do you have a place for them to stay? The next question for that is, are you prepared to be able to have money to come in your pocket while you're sleeping, allowing a system to be in place and you earn money in your sleep, just like me and my partners do. So what I've done, guys, is I've taken some hacks. You don't have to go through what I went through. My pain can be your economic gain. I've taken some hacks and I'm going to teach you what you need to do to position yourself to be ahead of the curve and not behind the curve. Guys, I'm telling you right now, this is going to be the biggest economic boom because inventory is sitting. Cars are sitting, houses are sitting, apartments are sitting, and people want to lease those places. And you don't have to buy one, but you can earn a lot of money from it. And I'm going to show you how to make six figures with Airbnb. So go ahead, guys, go ahead, click on the link below. Get registered for the free, you heard me right, free webinar, okay? Spots fill up. So when you get ready to take a spot, make sure you can commit to it. Make sure you're teachable and coachable, you're willing to learn, willing to change, and you're willing to invest in yourself. Why not start making some money in your sleep just like us, guys? I'm telling you right now, if I could do it, you could do it too. But what's most important is you get to get this beautiful woman to show you how you can put money in your bank account right now, just like we're doing. Go ahead, get off this right now and click on the link below, and I'll meet you over there at the webinar. Take care and be safe out there.